Good morning. Just giving you an update on the moat and progress. I finally bought a little mic that will help the audio on these. So as you remember, I was working on the toe board here. So I've now connected the metal on the inside, and what I'm about to do is put in the plate that goes in behind here. I've modified it a little bit, so that will go in there and will be welded on and pull down tight. But what I'm about to do is just punch the holes in here so we can plug weld that. Once it's done, I'll show you this little tool here. Just bear with me a sec. So this is it here, and as you can see in this end here, it's got a punch set. This here puts a flange on it for recessing and overlapping sheets, which works like a treat. So I've marked out where I want the holes along here just so it looks evenly spaced. But after I've done the plug weld, they'll probably be ground off anyway. So it simply slides over there like that. And that's it, piece of cake. Very easy to beach drilling holes. And that's how quick it is. And there we go, ready for plug welds. So I'll just have to clean all the burrs off this, and then I'll clamp it in and weld it on. I've left a bit of an overlap on this end, and that'll just help me weld it up, and I can grind it off after. It needs a little bit of trimming, so I'll come back to you once I've got this in, and we'll see how we go. Then the next step, I'll do the other side. Then I'm ready to pull the floor out, cut everything off, punch all the holes through the floor where it's going to be plug welded, and those inner skirts on the Bermuda Triangle, and then I'm ready to put the floor in. I'll have to put the floor in like this, then spin it over to make sure it's all level. So getting close to permanently putting the floor in. So stay tuned.